YouTube Basics for Beginners 2019. Are you just getting started on YouTube? Then I want to explain to you the journey that a video takes and how you can make some money on YouTube. First, upload a video. Click on the upload video button and then choose a video file that you want to upload. Choose a video title and description and make sure they're accurate, including searchable keywords only if they're relevant. Next, choose and upload a thumbnail. These are really important because they're like mini billboards for your video. And I'm telling you, most people won't read the title of your video. So make sure your thumbnail is good by choosing an image that best represents your video. How does it all work? What makes some videos skyrocket and other videos collect cobwebs? The YouTube algorithm. YouTube uses an algorithm that helps people find videos that they want to watch. If people watch and enjoy your videos, they'll start showing them to more people. It looks at all sorts of factors, but most importantly, it looks at watch time and session time. Watch time is the amount of time a viewer spends watching your video. The longer your watch time, the better for your video, your channel, and for YouTube. Session time is the amount of time a viewer spends watching videos after they've watched your video. The longer your session time, the more likely YouTube is to recommend your videos and your channel to more viewers on YouTube, because their ultimate goal is to keep people on the platform for as long as possible. Along the way, people start subscribing if and only if they enjoy your content. But what are subscribers? Subscribers are viewers that enjoy your content and notify YouTube by subscribing to your channel that they want to see more of the content that you create. By subscribing to your channel and turning on notifications, viewers are asking YouTube to notify them as soon as you upload new videos. Subscribers are imperative to your success on YouTube because subscribers spend more time watching your videos, helping you increase your watch time and your session time. Once you have 100,000 subscribers and 4 million watch hours, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program. I'm just kidding. Once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program. That's how you can start making some ad revenue from your YouTube channel. Now remember, ad revenue is not the only way for you to monetize your website. And who doesn't want to work for themselves, create cool videos for their photography community, and make money from it? There's no better job in the world. But what about your channel? How do you make it amazing and personalize it and make it stand out from the crowd? In the next video, we'll jump right into YouTube channel branding. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.